Hey guys, it's Cal with the Lighting Doctor here. I'm going to show you guys today what you're going to get inside your do-it-yourself kit. Before I do that, I want to explain why we designed these do-it-yourself kits. So after installing lights for several years, we just got tired of all the garbage that was being sold out there, whether it be online or in the big box stores, and we saw so many people and homeowners and contractors installing lights using very poor quality materials, and we were having to go around and fix them. So we realized that people wanted to save some money and do it themselves, but we also wanted to give them the same materials and the same products that we use from some of the leading manufacturers of landscape lighting that have been around for a long time, not some fly-by-the-night operation that comes in, sells the lights, offers a 70% discount, gives you a lifetime warranty, and then good luck trying to get that warranty ever reimbursed or get those lights back. All we've done is we've gone and we've searched the best of the best products out there, the best of the best companies that have proven track records, and we've taken all their products and put them together in kits for you guys that are designed to work no matter what kit you buy. All the materials and everything there is built for the long term, whether it be bulbs that last 50,000 hours, waterproof connections that actually hold and keep the water out, fixtures that are built solid with premium quality materials, and you can feel the durability that are going to last 10, 15, 20 plus years. The proper wire that's not going to melt out on you, that you can never make repairs on. Everything inside these kits is the best of the best, and all we've done is put it together for you guys so that you don't have to go and sort through all the garbage that's online and all the stuff that's in the big box stores that, although it may be cheaper, in the long term, it usually isn't. But if you're looking for cheap, those are still good options. All we're doing is giving you premium quality materials at the best price we can possibly do that. So here's what you guys are going to find inside your kits. Hey guys, so this is our brand new accent lighting kit. I'm excited about this one because you guys have been asking for something like this. In all our how-to videos, we talk so much about accent lighting and how to use those most effectively so that you can eliminate path lights and different things like that and really make your property stand out. So we've created a kit that has 20 accent lights up and accent lights in it to go do all those things we talk about in our video. So what you're going to find in those kits, as always, is our preferred FX Luminaire RS LED landscape lighting fixture with 4.5 watt LED bulb rated at 30 to 50,000 hours of life. It's one of the most durable and one of the most efficient lighting landscape lighting bulbs on the market today. With each of your lights, you get a 10-foot lead wire, so it gives you lots of wiggle room and play, as well as it comes with a very hardy and sturdy 6-inch ground stake to keep that light stable in the ground. If you're using these lights for different uplighting fixtures and stuff, do let us know. We have different mounting styles that you can do with that as well, but you're going to get 20 of these lights inside your kit. Along with that, you're going to get our BVS2 snap lock connectors. You're going to get 60 of these, so more than enough for your lights. Gel filled to keep the water out. They snap tight to keep the waters from pulling apart and create a long-lasting connection. You're going to get 3 packs of those, so 60 total connectors, plus some extra connectors and extra tools and little things we're going to put inside your kit just to help make your install that much easier. With that kit, you're also going to get 500 feet, so 2 rolls of 250 foot 12-2 low voltage landscape lighting cable. This is direct burial cable, so you can bury it directly in the ground. No need for a conduit. We usually just use a flat shovel and create a trench, open that up and push that wire down 6 to 8 inches, just deep enough so that you're not catching it with an aerator or something like that as you're going through your yard. And just be sure to leave a little bit of an extra wire at every single fixture, just in case you ever need to make any changes or move that light or repair it. You have a little bit of wiggle room in that wire. So you're going to get 500 feet of that premium quality low voltage landscape lighting wire, and then you're also going to get a transformer. And what we've done is we've beefed up and upgraded the transformer to the EX 150 watt transformer. The reason we did that is because now at 150 watts you can put even more lights than you used to be able to put on the 120 watt Kichler one that we used. So it's got 2 taps on it. It's got your common and your 15-volt tap, which is another added feature, because what that does now is now you can run your lights even further out and more lights out without having to worry about voltage drop and all that kind of stuff. So we've really beefed it up. You can fit about 30 lights on this transformer without any real issues. Super durable. And what we've also done to make it even easier to work with is we've added our WeOn Wi-Fi timer that we put in all our kits. This is no extra charge to you. The reason we like this because it's very simple. You basically just plug your transformer into the bottom of here now and plug this into your GFCI receptacle, and now you can operate your lights with a simple app from WeOn. And not just that, you can turn them on and off from your yard or from Hawaii or wherever you are, but the other thing you can do now is you can set a variety of different timer options, the most popular being astrological timing. What that is basically now your lights are just going to work with dawn and dusk based on your geographic location. So instead of having to have a photocell in your transformer that sometimes can fail, or if you have it in a shaded area it doesn't work properly, now this just uses your geographical location and turns your lights on and off with dawn and dusk. But it also has a multiple different timer options that you can use with that WeOn app. It's compatible with Amazon Alexa, which is also a cool feature, so that's why we like that. You can also use this. There's an extra plug at the bottom that you can plug your Christmas lights into as well, that you can now operate via Wi-Fi also. So you're going to get all that stuff inside your kit, plus some extra bonuses and tools, as well as a free consultation with me. So installing low voltage landscape lighting is not the toughest part. Sometimes the tricky part is just where to design and where to put those lights. When you buy a kit from us, you can email me at cal@lightingdoctor.ca. Send me pictures of your property and I'll walk you through what I feel would be some of the best ways to use those lights to get the maximum effect and really give your neighbors something to talk about. So I look forward to your comments and questions. Send them to cal@lightingdoctor.ca.